OnePlus is riding a wave that could propel it over the hump that's prevented its phone from reaching the upper echelon of the food chain. The OnePlus Open prevailed last fall in surprising myself in becoming the one best foldable phone around. Now there is a chance for the OnePlus 12 to propel the series' reputation to the next level. In my years of reviewing OnePlus phones, they have almost come up short in achieving that premier status bestowed upon the best phones. Usually, the camera performance of OnePlus flagship phones lags against its main rivals, but the OnePlus 12 aims to remedy this in a big way with an upgraded Hasselblad camera for mobile system, newer image processing, and larger sensor. But beyond the camera, the OnePlus 12 also sees the return of wireless charging, which adds to this phone's overall value. And if that's not enough to convince you of the phone maker's never settle philosophy, the OnePlus 12 still cost you no more than last year's model. All of this makes for a compelling argument for the OnePlus 12, so I will dive into all the details on how it shapes up in my review. For the price, the OnePlus 12's 6.82-inch 2K Pro XDR display has its share of delights, including OnePlus' claim that the screen can reach an unheard of 4500 nits peak brightness. From what I can gather during my time using the phone, the Pro XDR on the OnePlus 12 dishes up strong brightness in direct sunlight, allowing me to see everything with crystal clarity results. I'm still skeptical about the phone reaching that 4500 nit peak, but I'll be content if it can eclipse the 1300 nits of brightness that the OnePlus 11 produced with its display. Paired with a 120Hz display refresh rate, I find the OnePlus 12 suitable for intensive gaming where there is a lot of action happening on screen. Everything flows smoothly, making the most demanding games look fluid. One interesting tidbit about the display is Aqua Touch, which is new technology that ensures accuracy if the phone's screen is wet. If you are like me and sometimes bring your phone into the shower to scroll through your feeds or play a few tunes, then you can appreciate Aqua Touch's increased sensitivity. OnePlus phones have always come up short in the camera department against their rivals, but the new triple camera arrangement of the OnePlus 12 intends to prove that this phone can finally break the stigma. The 4th gen Hasselblad camera for mobile system of the OnePlus 12 consists of a main 50MP camera, 48MP ultrawide, and a 64MP periscope camera with 3x optical zoom. The telephoto camera is an iterative improvement over the OnePlus 11's 32MP 2x telephoto zoom, but I am happy to report that just about every performance metric around the cameras is better than before. Starting with the 50MP main camera, it produces excellent results accompanied by sharp details, realistic colors, and good dynamic range. However, I don't see a tremendous difference against the OnePlus 11's main camera when the lighting conditions are good. The 48MP ultrawide camera on the OnePlus 12 also holds up well, especially in high contrast scenes that have strong sources of light. The above photos from the OnePlus 12 and 11 shows they have evenly matched at balancing the overall exposure of the scene. The biggest improvement in my opinion centers around the new 64MP periscope camera that bumps optical zoom capabilities to 3x compared to 2x on the OnePlus 11. And the help of OnePlus 12's high-resolution sensor, images can be enlarged with a 6x in sensor zoom and without any degradation to the details. There is no comparison because the 3x zoom photos I captured with the OnePlus 12 are sharper, more detailed than the 2x zoom camera of the OnePlus 11. When I crop into the photos, I can still make out of the higher fidelity look of the 12's photos. Low light performance is a toss-up because I noticed that the OnePlus 12 has a tendency to underexpose scenes and cast a warmer color temperature compared to the OnePlus 11. You can see it in the photo. Here are some camera samples of the OnePlus 12 and other phone comparison. OnePlus certainly caters to enthusiasts because there are plenty of shooting modes and controls to access, in addition to a dedicated Pro mode that lets me adjust the shutter speed, focus, and ISO level. You also get a dedicated movie mode with a flat color profile option. Overall, the OnePlus 12 makes considerable gains everywhere around the camera to undoubtedly prove it's better than last year's model. That's a win in my book, but there is more to camera phones now than just producing the best photos. In an era where AI-assisted photo and video editing is being deployed on more phones, the OnePlus 12 misses its opportunity to get on board in this area. You won't find an AI photo features like the ones on, say, the Galaxy S24. If there is one thing I can't get out of my mind about the OnePlus 12, it's how these flagship phones feels more competitive than ever before. With the reintroduction of wireless charging plus extending its telephoto range even more, it's hard to deny its value over all other flagship phones. I am very picky about what I spend my money on. When I do, I want to ensure there is a tremendous value in what I am getting, and the OnePlus 12 proves it's the affordable flagship to beat it again. While I am bummed that it's lagged in the AI front, its considerably lower price point paired with everything I mentioned above allows anything on a tight budget to experience a top-notch flagship at the not-so-typical overpriced cost. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.